years in sport. I come from the land of Buddha, Tagore, Mahatma Gandhi and Mother Teresa. I represent the dreams, hope and aspirations of 1 billion Indians. India is home to 1/6 of humanity. It is the youngest country in the world, a resurgent nation of 1.3 billion people, of which 600 million are under the age of 25. If the youth of India were a country by themselves, they would be the 3rd largest country in the world. India is truly at a point of inflection, a country whose time has come. India is scaling new heights in all fields, including and especially sports. Friends, I would like to thank the organizers of this summit for inviting me to share my thoughts and experiences with this august gathering. They have graciously referred to me as the First Lady of Indian sport. My presence here is an honor for all women of India, and it is my mission to empower and enable every woman in India. I'm a big believer in the phenomenal power of women. I believe that when women lean on women, incredible things happen. I believe that women can excel not only in playing sport, but also in promoting sport at national and international levels. Let me introduce you to a very special and spirited group of young girls. This is their story in their own words.
This is Chairperson village, a picturesque tiny hamlet in the Himalayas. Today, Reliance Foundation is here to support the half marathon, and entire Chairperson village is eager to participate.
लड़कों को बहुत ज्यादा अहमियत मिलती है, लेकिन लड़कों को बहुत कम मिलती है। आज मैराथन रेस में वो अपनी ये पहचान बता देंगे कि लड़कियां किसी से कम नहीं।
शुरुआत रिलायंस फाउंडेशन द्वारा की गई इस तरह के मैराथन की इस क्षेत्र में जो प्रतिभाएं हैं वो बाद में की, तो निश्चित रूप से बहुत ही ऐतिहासिक है।
आज की जनरेशन क्या है, इसका बाहर जाना चाहती है, लेकिन अगर हमारे गांव में फैसिलिटी है तो हमारे गांव वाले यहाँ पे ज्यादा रहेंगे।
Today, women in India are breaking the glass ceiling in more and more areas of human endeavor. Indeed, women all over the world are doing so. In sport and science, in boardrooms and courtrooms, in Bollywood and Hollywood, in politics and philanthropy. In effect, anywhere and everywhere. Friends, through my work with Reliance Foundation, I have had the privilege of working closely with women and children. It is my firm belief that when children learn and play, communities grow and countries prosper. For the holistic development of a child's personality, there is only one well-proven formula. Just let them play. A sport, any sport. Sport is a great teacher. It is a magical equalizer. And in a young country like India, the aspirations are so audacious, the adrenaline so high, and the appetite to achieve so strong that if we can just guide and steer our children in the right direction, they will script the most stunning success stories the world has ever seen. Friends, my own tryst with sport began at an age when most sportspersons retire. I was 44 when sport changed my life, my perspective and my worldview. It all started with cricket and Mumbai Indians in 2009. It was the second season of IPL, the Indian Premier League. And our team was at the bottom of the table.
तो बर्तानिया से आप रात देख रहे थे रिलायंस फाउंडेशन की चेयरपर्सन नीता अंबानी बिजनेस ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स प्रोग्राम से मुखातिब थी।